This is dangerous. This is also dangerous. Oh wow. This is super dangerous. But did you know that there is something that runs in our veins that can also be a pain in the butt? Oh yeah, I am talking about blood, and depending on its type, it can pose some risks. There are many blood types. You have probably heard your doctor say you are O negative or B positive. And no, they are not referring to your personality. They are actually talking about a label that blood has. Labels are not cool for people, but for blood, it kind of works. Knowing that you have a type of blood helps health professionals determine, for example, if another person can give you some blood when you're in need. Having certain blood types can have its disadvantages too. And in this video, we will list some of the dangers of having certain blood types, from those that can pose some minor health risks to those that can be life-threatening. Let's start by actually understanding what all these letters, plus and minus signs, have to do with blood types. Blood type is a classification of blood based on the presence or absence of specific antigens on the surface of red blood cells. And these antigens are essentially proteins and sugars that can trigger an immune response if they are foreign to the body. The most common blood type classification system is the ABO system, which categorizes blood types into four main groups: A, B, AB, and O. This system is based on the presence or absence of two antigens known as A and B. Another important factor is the Rhesus or Rh factor, which classifies blood as either positive or negative, depending on the presence of the Rh antigen. This leads to 8 main possible blood types. Think of your blood type as a special ID card for your red blood cells. This ID card tells your body what type of blood you have. Type A, imagine your red blood cells have little A stickers on them. If you have type A blood, your immune system is okay with these A stickers, but will react if it sees B stickers from type B blood. With type B, your red blood cells have, let's say, B stickers. Your body is cool with B stickers, but will put up a fight if it encounters A stickers from type A blood. For AB blood types, your blood cells are party animals. They have both A and B stickers. This means your body is chill with both types and won't bother fighting any blood type. Type O blood cells are like the ninjas of the blood world. They have no stickers at all. This stealth mode means they can sneak into anybody without being noticed, making them great donors. However, O types will react if they receive blood with any stickers, A or B. Now let's add another layer. Apart from the ABO system, there is also the Rh factor, which is like an extra feature on your blood cells ID card. It's either positive or negative. If your blood type is positive, it means your red blood cells have a special protein called the Rh factor. It's like having an extra badge on your blood cells. Now, if your blood type is negative, your red blood cells don't have this Rh protein, so no extra badge for these blood cells. All of what we have just learned tells us that people with AB positive blood types are considered universal receivers because their immune system will not react to any other blood type. They basically say, hey, I can recognize every sticker and badge, so bring it on. While people with O negative blood types are universal donors, O negative blood types are the ultimate ninjas. Since they don't have any sticker or badge, they can sneak into anybody unnoticed without waking up the immune system. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about my blood type? Well, blood types are extremely important when it comes to your health. This blood identification system helps healthcare professionals make some important decisions, some of which might save your life. So yes, blood types are important to us, not just to Count Dracula. They are, for example, crucial in blood transfusions. Mix blood types up, and it's like putting diesel in a petrol car. Things just won't run smoothly. Our immune system can be quite picky, denying entry to uninvited blood cells. Enter the superheroes of the blood world, O negative and AB positive. O negative is the universal donor, like the friend who always has gum. They can give blood to anyone. Then there is the AB positive, the universal receiver, like the friend who never says no to free gum. They can receive blood from anyone. Handy, right? But here's where things get dangerous. For example, if you're in need of a transfusion, having AB negative or O negative can be tricky due to their rarity. Only about 1% of the population has AB negative, making it the rarest blood type. So it might be tricky to find donors that have a matching blood type for those cases. Oh, but if you think that those are the most dangerous types of blood to have when it comes to transfusions, think again. There is one that takes the crown. I'm talking about Rh-null. Rh-null blood is a rare blood type, often called golden blood, due to its unique lack of all Rh antigens. The Rh system includes around 50 different antigens, the most well-known being the D antigen. In most blood types, some of these Rh antigens are present. However, in Rh-null, none are. This makes Rh-null blood extremely rare, but highly valuable, especially for medical purposes. It's so rare that only about 43 individuals worldwide are known to have this blood type. Not even one person per country. Can you imagine? Rh-null blood can be safely transfused into individuals with rare Rh configurations who might react to normal Rh positive or Rh negative blood. However, individuals with Rh-null blood can only receive Rh-null blood, making transfusions for them particularly challenging. But wait, there's more when it comes to complications and risks related to blood types. Some blood types also have higher risks for certain diseases. While often celebrated for its universal donor status, type O blood can have its drawbacks. People with type O blood are more susceptible to bleeding and blood clotting disorders. They also may have a higher risk of developing ulcers and rupture of red blood cells under certain medical conditions. Individuals with type A blood have been found to have a higher propensity for cardiovascular diseases, such as heart attacks and strokes, particularly among smokers and those with high cholesterol levels. There is also a potential increased risk of certain types of cancer, like stomach cancer. Type B blood may carry a higher risk of developing certain diseases, such as E. coli infections and severe malaria. Some studies suggest that individuals with type B blood have a greater likelihood of developing blood clots and some types of cancer. Those with type AB blood can have an increased risk of cognitive issues. Studies have linked this blood type to an increased likelihood of memory problems later in life. Additionally, type AB is associated with an elevated risk of heart diseases and blood clotting issues. These associations, however, are not definitive and can be influenced by various other factors, including lifestyle and environmental conditions. Let's not forget the Rh factor and pregnancy. Well, during pregnancy, if an Rh negative mom and an Rh positive baby aren't a match, it can lead to complications. It's like a dance-off between moms and babies' blood cells, and sometimes they just can't sync their moves. Luckily, modern medicine has some nifty ways to resolve this. So, the most dangerous blood type. We could all agree that Rh-null is the winner. Beyond that, it's less about the type and more about the situation. Being in a rare group or having certain health risks linked to your blood type can add some drama. But fear not, with today's medical magic, we can manage most of these challenges. Click on the next video to learn more about the fascinating human body. Like the video to let me know that you want to see more of these, and subscribe so you don't miss the next upload. See you next time.